Howdy! So, you're too cheap or too poor or whatever to install proper air conditioning, so you're wondering what alternatives there are? Well, there are quite a few. I'm sure you've seen some of them. Maybe you've seen this one. It's the COOLAIR Ultra Air Cooler Personal Space Cooler. Yeah, you get many different kinds of these, some smaller, some bigger. Basically they work on the same principle. You put in water and the water goes into a filter, and then behind the filter there's a fan that blows air through the wet filter. So the air that comes out is cooler, hopefully. So yeah, let's have a look at all the information here on the box. It says there, cool your space fast and easy. COOLAIR Ultra Air Cooler Personal Space Cooler. 2 times cooling power. There's a picture of it. Runs up to 10 hours per fill. I take it it's a fill of water. Built-in LED nightlight. Cool your space fast and easy. Okay, we read that. Enjoy cool, clean air anywhere. Personal space cooler, adjustable 3 speeds, quiet operation, lightweight and portable. And here it says eco-friendly, energy efficient. I don't know what that says. Freon free. Whatever. Purifies, humidifies, cools. Oh, and that's that. And what does it say here? Oh, this is the bottom. As compared to standard. Run time will vary depending on speed setting, room temperature levels, room humidity levels, etc. Due to continued product enhancement, product image may differ slightly from actual product purchased. For household use only, for indoor use only. And there's just some more info. Made in China. What do we have here? Cool your space fast and easy. Great for living rooms, dens, offices, kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, basements and more. Yeah. Okay, I think that's about all the information. Oh wait, here's the side we haven't read yet. COOLAIR, okay. New and improved technology. Simply fill Ultra with water and enjoy cool, clean air anywhere. This powerful personal space cooler pulls in hot air from the room through its Evaporative Air-Cooling Filter and turns it into cool, refreshing air instantly. Experience the cooling comfort of Ultra. And there's a sketch of it. Hot, dry air goes in and cool, moist air comes out. Okay, cools, humidifies, purifies, runs up to 10 hours per fill, eco-friendly. Very interesting. Let's have a look inside. What do we have? Open that up. Little booklet. COOLAIR Ultra. Product guide. Save these instructions, it says. Shall we have a quick look through this? Read the entire manual before use. Congratulations, thank you, and so on and so on. You can read that if you want. What's included? Water tank door, mode indicator lights, power fan speed button, power port. Oh, there's a power port. Light on off button. Filter drawer, pull to access filter. Alrighty, and there's a picture of the filter. Setup. Set Ultra on flat surface. Attach the USB line. Insert USB. Alright, that's just for power. Use the filter drawer tab to pull out the filter drawer and remove filter. Now, why do you want to remove it? For best results, likely pre-soaked under cold running water. Oh, that's just to get it wet so it doesn't start dry. For even more cooling power, place a wet filter in the freezer until frozen. Okay, so you can do that also. Then you place back in drawer when done. Alright, so yeah, I'm sure when it's like when the air is blowing through the ice, it's gonna be nice and cool for a little while. Setup continued. Open water tank door and fill until line on max fill tab. Close water tank door when done. Alrighty. Press the fan button to turn Ultra on. It'll default to high speed mode. First press power on high, second press medium low, and then power off. Ultra will run up to 8 hours on high, 10 hours on medium and 12 hours on low. I wonder what happens then. Does it switch off? Probably. Use the air direction tab to adjust the airflow up and down to your preference. Alrighty, yeah, we must remember the fan button turns it on. And what do we have here? Choose night light setting by pressing the little sun, or let's say light button. Default setting is high brightness. Default light on, high brightness. Okay, low brightness, low off. That's the little light button just next to the fan button. We'll remember that. To power off, press the fan button until fan turns off. One press after low speed and mode indicator lights are no longer lit. Important, if you do not plan to use Ultra for an extended period of time, it is recommended that you empty and let unit and filter dry before storing. This will avoid mold and unpleasant smells and prolong life of Arctic Air Ultra and the filter. Alrighty. Maintenance. We recommend weekly cleaning of your Ultra and filter to keep in best working condition and replacing the filter every 3 to 6 months. Okay, yeah, where do we get these filters? I only have the filter that came with it, so I hope it has a long working life. Dishwasher. Oh, you can wash it in your dishwasher. Remove and let air dry, or hand wash. Hand wash gently with warm water and soap. Shake out excess water and let air dry. Microwave. Between washes, sanitize your filter by placing in microwave on high for 30-second increments up to 2 minutes. Let sit until cool. Alright. And when the bell rings ding, then you know your filter is done. Maintenance, important. If you see mold on the filter or notice a musty smell, stop and clean the filter before further use. Okay, so you can clean it, you don't necessarily have to replace it. Fully submerge the filter in a pot or bowl filled with equal parts clean water and white vinegar. Allow to soak for 45 to 60 minutes. Rinse with warm water, wring out and let air dry. Unit cleaning. Alright, well, there's a lot of stuff here now and I'm getting bored with this. Shall we continue? Let's see. Prepare for cleaning. Run Ultra until all water has emptied from the water tank, or hold Ultra over a sink and carefully dump out to avoid splashing or spilling. Remove filter tray from Ultra using warm soapy water. Wipe filter tray and grill, then rinse off until clean. Let air dry. If you notice water tank is dirty, use a small bendable brush like toothbrush, bottle brush, etc. and carefully clean the inside of the tank until clean. Rinse clean with warm water. Alrighty, and then there's warnings. Do not carry Ultra when filled with water, and use clean water, and so on and so forth. If you ever buy yourself this unit, you can use all these warnings. It's a whole encyclopedia of warnings. Assumes no responsibility for any incidental, and so on and so forth. For best results, pre-soak filter. Okay, we saw that. Fill with pitcher. Set airflow, filter cleaning. Yeah, oh, I think we saw that. That was on the back, wasn't it? This is like a long thingy that folds up. Alright, well, that almost bored me there for a second. But yeah, now we're gonna get to the actual product, and we hope that's very exciting. What do we have here? Power cable. Let's just loosen that. Oh, it doesn't seem like they brought it with those little boxes that you plug in, that you plug this into. Seems you will need your own. This is what the power cable looks like at the end. And let's see. Then of course we take out our Ultra. Well, they call it an Ultra in the instructions, but here they call it COOLAIR on this box. Alrighty, take it out of all the bubble wrap. there is our little product. Yeah, it looks about like an air conditioner. Here's the back of it. I see there's a fan inside, you see. Quite a nice big fan. I've seen these units with much smaller fans. I think this one is gonna work better if it doesn't make too much noise because of this huge fan. And here's where you plug your electric cable into. Let's just do that right now. And there's your buttons. That's where that light button is and the fan button. Oh, these are probably just indicators. Yeah, oh, here in the front it opens up. I think that's where you pour the water in. So, now they said to take out the filter first and wet it and put it in the freezer. We're not going to do that, we're just going to let this thing, the water filter through. Oh, you see there's the filter, it's like, I don't know if you can see, there's like blue, yes, you can see it quite clearly. Blue stuff that looks almost like paper or cloth or something. So obviously that will get moist and the fan will blow the air through it and it should come out much cooler. I just want to see where were we supposed to pull out the filter in case I ever want to. I just don't want to break this thing. There we go. Oh, I don't know if you should pull it out all the way. This is enough to take out your filter. Yeah, there's your filter. Yeah, it was this way around. Nice. Let's just put that back. Now where does the water go in? Oh, I see there in the back. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a hole. I saw it when I looked through here. There's a hole there way in the back that the water goes through and into the filter. Alrighty, let's just get this thing started now. You're probably anxious to know how it works. Alrighty, I think I put it back together right. So we put it down, let me just plug this in somewhere. Okay, I plugged it in. Now we just need to put water in here. Oh, it's gonna take a little more than a glass. Let me just get some more water. Okay. Alright, I would say that's enough. Close that up. And now it's wet. Just don't get your equipment wet. Now we push the button. Okay, I can bring it closer. Let me just get the camera. So now we're supposed to press this button. Oh, nice blue indicators. Alrighty. And it started blowing wind. Not very strong, but it does make quite a noise. Oh, that's actually... I thought the book said it starts at full power, but no, this is actually much stronger, you hear? Yeah, now you can actually feel it. Rather noisy though, I would say. What else do we get here? Oh, now it's low. And now it's off. What is this? Doesn't do anything now, it probably needs to be on. It seems 2 stripes is the strongest setting. Let's see if we press this now. Oh, you know what? It was on. This room is just too light. You see there, inside it has like colored lights. Now it's blue and then pink and then red and then green. Yeah, probably in the dark of night you'll see that clearly. Here's what it looks like with the lights turned off. Don't quite see anything from the front, but yeah, on the top it does make this colorful nightlight thing effect. I wouldn't really say this is some huge selling point. They probably could have done without this function, but whatever. It's a bit faint, too faint actually, but whatever. The unit has this feature in now, so whatever. Alrighty. Very nice. Well, there is our cooler then. Doesn't feel that cool yet, but probably the water should first run through the filter. And even then, I'm not sure it's going to be all that cold. It's not going to be like an expensive air conditioner that you install in your house that has like one part of the unit outside and the other inside. Those really make it cold. This is kind of nice, yeah. Yeah, you know what? I suppose in a really hot room you will quite enjoy feeling this. Let me feel it on my face. Yeah, it's nice to have a little fan blowing. I suppose the water does make it a little bit cooler. And I think it's getting cooler and cooler all the time, probably as the water seeps through the filter now. Yeah. Alright, well, it's a little bit too noisy for my taste, unfortunately, otherwise I would have liked it a lot more. Oh, now it's getting even cooler, yeah. Yeah, you know what, maybe this is gonna be nice and cool, not cold. But nice, yeah. That then is our COOLAIR Ultra Air Cooler Personal Space Cooler. Let me just run it for another minute or so. Just turn it so it blows onto me. Of course you have to be very careful now that it's filled with water. Must keep it upright when you move it. Try not to move it actually. I've had similar models like this before and it can be quite a mess if somebody tips it. Ah, yeah. Yeah, now I'm starting to like this nice cool temperature. Alright, well, that then is as much as I can tell you for now about this product. How long the filter will last, I do not know at this time. Probably a few weeks or months. Maybe I'll do an update on it, maybe not. But anyway, what I want you to do now is to please hit the like button on this video. And remember, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. It does help me a lot. And stay cool.